These conditions, health officials saying protecting your lungs important, especially with the risk of valley fever here in Kern County.
23 ABC's Alex Bell joins us live in Southwest Bakersfield. She spoke with health professionals about symptoms to look out for and how to protect yourself. Alex?
As you guys can see, winds are still very gusty out here and dust has been swarming Kern County since the early hours of this morning. Now, health officials are warning that if you must go outside, wear one of these protective masks because it could really save you a trip from the doctor. Kern County is feeling the after effects of critical fire weather conditions from surrounding wildfires in the state. High winds and blowing dust have taken over the skies, causing wind warnings to stay in effect until Thursday night.
When it's dusty and dry, and I would stay indoors.
During high winds and blowing dust, protecting your lungs can be one of the most important tasks throughout the day, as the wind blows you from your car to the office and home. According to Royce Johnson, the medical director of the Valley Fever Institute at Kern Medical, the number of people diagnosed with valley fever has continued to rise over the last 5 years. And last year, there were nearly 3,000 people diagnosed, the highest amount since 2006. Valley fever is a fungal infection that lives in the soil and grows spores. When the soil is disrupted, the spores can break off.
On windy days, you're going to have more of those spores fracturing off and becoming airborne.
Taking extra steps like wearing a proper mask outside can help protect your lungs. Royce recommends wearing the N95 mask.
It's an industrial mask that we use in healthcare for airborne precautions. As you can see, it has NIOSH N95 on the bottom, and that tells you that it tells you the pore size, and this mask has a pore size small enough that excludes valley fever very easily.
Royce also states that 60% of people infected have no symptoms, and according to the Valley Fever Institute, others may have flu-like symptoms that appear 1 to 3 weeks after exposure. Symptoms can be a combination of shortness of breath, fever, coughing, and feeling tired.
Today is the dust storm. Next 2 weeks, I'll be very busy.
For more information on how you can protect yourself from valley fever, head to our website, turnto23.com. Live in Bakersfield, I'm Alex Bell for 23 ABC News, connecting you.